Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the NWFCU Mobile Banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The NWFCU Mobile Banking app, offered by Northwest Federal Credit Union, enables members to manage personal and business accounts, credit cards, and loans within one mobile interface. According to its description, you can manage your personal and business accounts, credit cards, and loans all from one convenient app, and features include bill and loan payments, mobile check deposit, transaction history, and locating ATMs. The app's main feature is its unified dashboard. Once logged in, you can instantly view balances across accounts, make transfers, deposit checks, pay bills, monitor loans and credit cards, all from your device. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its high App Store rating, 4.9, for usability and include remarks like, "I absolutely love mobile banking. I can keep up with her spending," for one member with accessibility needs. On the flip side, some reviews criticize recent interface changes and say fewer accounts appear on the home screen as they did previously. However, there are some drawbacks. Certain advanced functions, e.g., external account linking or full financial planning tools, may be limited or require full online banking rather than mobile. Connectivity or device-specific issues occasionally present in user reviews. In summary, the NWFCU Mobile Banking app may be worth using if you're a Northwest Federal Credit Union member seeking comprehensive mobile access to accounts, cards, loans, and deposits in one place. However, if you require cutting-edge investment dashboards, wide external account integrations, or deeply customized interfaces, you might find the app somewhat basic. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.